Hi, I'm Chris Whitman with MarineMax Baltimore. Today we're going to go over this brand new 2020 Sundeck 270 outboard. This outboard is a 300 Mercury, painted white for a nice look on her. The benefit to having the outboard on this is all of my area back here, my sun pad. Underneath is an amazing amount of storage back here. So that gives me a lot of room for my PFDs, anything else I need to bring with me. Because we are going to be hanging on the back, I do have a nice cooler as I walk through. That is insulated, that is drainable. Convenience is everything. That's why we have a boarding ladder here that makes it a lot easier to get on and off depending on the dock that you're on. We're going to bring the whole family into the cockpit here because we've got a great amount of room for hanging out and entertaining. The table sets up right here, but I wanted to have a clear walkthrough to show you guys. When we get where we're going and we're kind of hanging out with everybody, this is just going to be real easy reversible, keeping everybody hanging out in one area. Makes for a really nice afternoon. When we're underway, everybody still has plenty of seating. Our helm setup is a Simrad touchscreen, and our head on the port side is spacious with a sink, so she does have fresh water. We're going to come forward into the bow. There's a lot of room up here as well. We have room for another table. We have a swim ladder for if we want to beach up. I like to hang out and relax. I think you should come out and hang with us too. My name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Baltimore. Let's get you on the water today.